So alright, today's video is going to be rather short. I wanted to talk about how I turned this archery crossbow set into a fully functional airsoft crossbow. But just some quick background information on this. I saw this archery crossbow set at Ollie's for about $5 or $6, and it comes with a full metal target. I pretty much got this only for the full metal target, but ended up really liking the crossbow. So much in fact, I wanted to adapt this to, well, shoot airsoft BBs. And if you happen to pick up the same kit, down below in the description is its 3D model if you wish to print it out and attach it to your own archery crossbow set. Just know it is fully reversible, so if you want to shoot the darts again ever in the future, you can easily undo everything we're about to do here today. But with that said, first things first, you want to flip the crossbow over, take out the screw on the bottom, there's this little black piece. Under this black piece is a spring that holds up on the safety. This safety allows you to only shoot the specific archery crossbow bolts. So without the safety, we're pretty much free to shoot whatever we want now. Just put the black piece back on and keep the spring out. After we did that, you want to 3D print the parts. For the most part, everything should be print in place. However, the newer model has a better tolerance and fit, so it does need some supports, unfortunately. I'll try to link both models for if you want a support free version or one that has supports. But overall, fundamentally both will do the same thing, just one does it slightly better. But with that said, once you have the parts printed, you want to slide them together and then add a bit of super glue to hold the cylinder to the main gun part. After that's done and everything is dried and glued, we can then slide it onto our archery crossbow. From here we can zip tie through the gun part itself, as you can see in the B-roll, and we want to then undo the screw in the front of the crossbow and make sure it's around the plastic little hooks on the front of this gun bit. After that's done, it should hold in place fairly well. However, if you want to make this permanent, feel free to epoxy it or glue it to the crossbow. It's probably better if you did that in the long run anyway, but if you just want to use this for some quick airsoft matches, doing it like this is good enough overall. Plus, it's always undoable if you do it like this. You can just cut the zip tie off, undo the screw, and take the part off and go back to shooting the darts whenever you want. But with that said, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope the B-roll was plenty of fun. I did want to get some airsoft match B-roll. Unfortunately, I didn't bring the camera the day I went, and I actually did get fairly close to getting somebody with this when I was in a building. So it is 100% possible to get an out with this if you're wondering. But yeah, this thing's pretty much only useful for getting close combat kills. If you're wondering, it doesn't have a whole lot of range. Stick to lighter weight BBs and you can shoot a little further. Maybe in the future I can change this to use the full pullback of the bow, but I wanted to make sure it was really airsoft legal, which is why I didn't give it much oomph or kick to it. One last thing though before I go, if you're wondering, yes, it is like a magazine. It holds about 9 shots, so you could shoot 5 times more than what you could with the normal crossbow arrows, so that's pretty cool. It's actually so slick, you can pretty much rapid fire. You put the string in, pull it back, and then a shot's ready. You put the string in, pull it back, and the shot's ready to go. If you ever want me to make a sillier version of this, maybe I'll make one with a drum mag or something on top. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, and I'm going to leave it off here now. DTPK signing off. Peace. 100% the same. So feel free to leave this video at any point if you wish to save that. Essentially what we did now is this file, you launch it any way you